Welcome to PIERRE Academy. In this video, we'll show you how to create a smart notification using a motion sensor. We begin by setting up a motion alert. The goal is simple. Whenever motion is detected in a given room, a real-time notification is triggered. To begin, we open the app and navigate to the Alerts section, then tap Add New to create a new alert. We name this alert Motion Detected Room. For the assigned role, we choose Academy, and for the notification method, we select Receive Phone Call. With the alert created, we need to define what will activate it. We tap to add new automation, choose existing I/O, and select the previously assigned motion sensor. We confirm the configuration and save. From this moment on, if motion is detected, the system sends out a notification both to the mobile device and to the display, as well as to any other connected interface with permission. The notification works instantly, offering a smooth and responsive alert system. If we no longer want to receive notifications, we can easily deactivate the alert with a single tap. When needed again, it's just as easy to reactivate. Thank you for watching this PIERRE Academy tutorial. Stay tuned for more smart solutions to elevate your smart automation system.